Hi everyone, I welcome back you all to this channel. This is Harikiran. So today we are going to start with the new graphical enhancements in SolidWorks 2022. Cosmetic and appearances changes happen regularly throughout the design process. Understanding and updating these changes should happen regardlessly whenever you open your files. Let us have a look at the new enhancements, starting with lightweight graphics. SolidWorks 2022 now automatically resolves lightweight components that have graphical or appearances changes regardless if any features have changed since the components were last saved. This ensures that your components will always appear correctly. Let us have a look at it in detail in SolidWorks. Let me open SolidWorks. Let me open this assembly, but in lightweight mode. You can see how quickly it is opening in lightweight mode. So this is my assembly of two chairs, two seats. Now what I'll do, on the left side you can see that the components are loaded in lightweight mode. So now what I will do is I'll open this component in its own window and apply any sort of texture. So let me open the task pane. Organic, miscellaneous. Let me apply the leather to the entire part and save this. Now once we are back to the main assembly, once I close this, you can see now the color is updated as well as the component is resolved automatically. So this was not there in the earlier version. This is introduced in this version. Let me go back to the presentation. So coming to the next enhancement, cosmetic threads. SolidWorks introduced a unique and simplified way to incorporate complex textures last year. By leveraging unique appearances on faces, bodies or components, textures can be created on those surfaces to generate complex geometry quickly. The introduction of texture-based cosmetic threads. These new cosmetic threads, beyond looking great, make it much clearer to understand which components have threads on them. Let us have a look at it in SolidWorks. So let me open this component in its own window and create cosmetic threads on this. So now you can see this ear, it is looking realistically. So these cosmetic threads can be applied with cosmetic threads or hole wizard or stud wizard. Let me go back to the presentation. So the next enhancement is 3D textures. So 3D textures is actually it is already introduced in the year 2021, but in this year 3D textures are looking even more eye pleasing. Let me show this in SolidWorks. Let me save this. So now you can see this component as well is resolved. So let me add 3D textures to this component. I'm opening it in its own window. Now let us add a texture to it. So 3D textures. Let me apply it to this face. I'm just changing the way it looks. So it is okay. So I'm clicking OK. Now with these textures applied, we will add a texture to it, 3D texture. This was introduced last year, but this year it has got more aesthetics to it. So let me experiment with the texture refinement, the texture offset, and click OK. Now you can see how easily you can create textures, 3D textures with this. So this is a great enhancement, and now it is even more looking realistically. Let me save this and go to the assembly. Now you can see this is this component as well is resolved, and you can see how it is clearly it is showcasing it. So these are the new enhancements in graphical enhancements this year. With all these enhancements, user can get more insight, and he can observe everything clearly. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest updates please hit the bell icon.